Alright.
Findable. Is that what's going on right now? Wait, why is there, oh no, that's, the lights keep on. Alright, so somewhere on there should be an active hangout thing. Oh, yeah, there was. And I'll have to mute or something. Yay, feedback! And it still doesn't work. Alright, it's gonna be,
Yay, feedback. Great.
there we go.
Ah, see no hangouts.
Someone else that's on your mute.
I'm muting my speakers.
I'm muted as well.
I don't see the hangout.
If you're here, you don't need to be in it.
Turn off your speaker. There we go.
Executing the PHP.
I have my microphone muted. I'm not sure.
That is the scariest wallpaper I've ever seen. That's all.
Yes, that is awesome, isn't it? I'm going
Well,
to change that.
let me have a look at it for the. Well, that looks very, very Dylanish, doesn't it?
Is there any way I can turn that off, I wonder? Change it. I think that's me at like 18 as well. So if I leave.
So how come it was on his and not on mine? Oh, I know, I'm not on Google Plus. Oh,
Alright, let's see, I can leave.
I may never be on Google Plus.
Are you still in the thing? Awesome! It doesn't depend on me. Alright, I'm no longer in it. Does everyone, you have yours make the microphone on? Everyone probably has the best way to speak. Everyone else who's on the Google Plus Hangout thing, turn off your microphone. Official microphone will be his tablet.
How do you get on the Google Plus? Plus? Install Google Chrome.
Group in South Florida, like West Palm. It's too far away to reach.
More. Doesn't do even more.
20 years on and I've tried to network with the last 3 years. This guy has a cafe. There's all sorts of Linux outside. I'm like,
oh, Google Plus. Alright.
but anyway, I'm trying to have it with people.
Oh.
Okay, so you're so this is really closest. Yes.
Oh, I can't do that. I can't remember my password.
Yeah. I have it written down at home.
Well, yeah, I mean, you know, I've got it written down at home. I didn't bring the paper with me. All right.
Have it in your phone under notes.
Do you have any questions that I can answer, or are you enjoying yourself so far? I know that Pete has been here trying to spread lies and dissension, but that's his function.
I really am such a neophyte that it's pathetic. I have a friend that put Linux on his computer because it was running Windows and had file system errors, and the only way he could salvage it was to put Linux on there. Now, I've been interested in learning about Linux for a long time, but basically, I have questions like, is there any way I can salvage the Windows on your Mac? It's
Good mount the file system, get the files off, read that terminology. You might have overwritten, so it's hard to tell.
okay.
Yeah,
All
basically.
my husband's stuff doesn't break my heart. But no, my interest is web design.
Okay.
I'm used to playing with the Adobe Suite. I know the Adobe Suite doesn't run on Linux, and I'm sure there's equivalent stuff, sort of.
Crossover Office might be able to run some of it. Cross this program. And Wine, actually, nowadays Wine.
Honestly, it depends on how high-end you are. Because like there's GIMP and Inkscape that are similar to Photoshop and Illustrator.
Yeah,
but they
Inkscape
don't-
is like Illustrator, right?
Yes, but they don't go as, if you are a professional, they're not the same. But if you're an amateur, I use GIMP all the time for editing photos and similar features.
Or Hangout? Awesome, is it on the air? I forgot if I made it on the air.
Yeah.
Sort of.
Oh, so how do I make it on the air then?
Well, you probably kill what you're doing. Start a hangout.
So I've had.
So what is people to do it with?
Dreamweaver and all that good stuff.
See, I can't actually kill the Hangout because I didn't, I mean, I already left it and it's still running.
When they do, I want to.
Maybe community ones are by default.
Well, I haven't seen that. I can't see it on the site, and I'm not, I joined the group, I didn't get a notification that.
John Gill's Photoshop now stuff just for my own thing. Web design scenario.
Well, I'm in it with
Kind of started.
him. Well, wait, I wonder if you're in the group or the community? Did it say community? Okay.
Why did they do that? What's the difference? Right.
This machine here is
The hangout.
Well, I think what I have to do is.
Yeah, but if it's on the air, it should be more. I'm gonna try to do it on the air one.
I used to just run the machine and add what I wanted. This time around with this machine, I ran a good to and ain't got what I did. So I can get pulse audio to work out of the box.
So let's try graphics.
My favorite out of the box installing, you don't mess with anything, is front.
So here's GIMP and here's GIMP. My pains.
That's what I read.
Really out of the box? That sounded like a box.
Yes.
It doesn't look like there's still a Hangout on
The camera's still on. Maybe it's just the camera. It says waiting for people to join.
Bart Ethan is hanging out.
I run just about anything I want to. I killed that. But like I say,
It says you're still there.
It's still there. I got stuck at the captain.
Well, if anything, I'll help mention
Really
where.
needed some space, I could pull out one I don't use.
Be attentive, just HTTP, you know.
It means Sarge. Dylan considered the CD storage.
I guess it was Sarge that I stored. Before Sarge. I'd have to go to the site and read over.
Let's try.
Just about everyone that came down. I tried Memphis, boy, I tell you.
Go ahead.
Mandrake.
I got it.
That's part of what I'm figuring out too, is where things end up.
Well, there's a whole structure. The thing with Linux is basically everything you can do is command line install.
Right.
So there are paths forward where you can find them, but there's
You
multiple
should see my desktop.
paths where you can install Windows. So every now and then we go through the whole install
Tired of the camera.
So it's weird. Type it in one hand and always just
Once I got pulse audio working, it was voice to
So, is this
primarily play
second
second line
where
was my
this
game.
spot is?
Because I could pretty much do anything I want.
That pretty much kills the
My
connection.
own game. And that never worked right.
Go ahead and click back on the start button. So the problem is because we kind of started.
Alright, I think we're not gonna be able to do this over this connection.
I typically, I do this every week. Have trainers watching people therapy, watching the session going on just fine. Guys, we're plugged up to a 1 gigabit backbone with Cat 6 cable. Straight up.
I'm the guy that.
Yeah, it would work. Yeah, I do it at home on a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection. It's
I'm the download.
hours away, and that's 300 megabits. So
5 terabytes is more comprehensive. 3/4 way full.
am I still green sharing? That's pretty cool.
And then do it all in one tab.
It's okay.
Maybe not.
Alright, this is the latest actually sharing desktop.
Tab completion is your friend. You do have to worry about capitalization on it,
Like a
but
3D
it'll, instead of
avatar.
typing out the whole thing, it's there.
High poly 3D avatar.
So now, let's second out this one
second
more
one.
time.
No, I say.
And it should show
Using an avatar.
there. Komodo, and there's the Komodo thing, so we'll do more CD.
Avatars
Space.
follow
And then K-O-M.
Run it on Google Hangouts too.
That's kind of rough.
And you should be able to do a tab to complete the rest of it for you, just to make it a lot easier. Good, just hit enter.
So we have the projector hooked up.
And now in here should be the install.sh we saw. Once it it just shows
I'm
that
actually talking about Java.
basically lists the directory. CD is changed, RPLS is listed. There's the install.sh, so we should be able to
Java is server-side stuff is really well. So why did it just work? Server-side stuff there.
Let's do the default.
So after our failed attempt at having a Google Hangout for the meeting, actually more like 3 failed attempts for different reasons, we decided to can that. But I do have my lightning talk, and this is opening up the section of lightning talks. Considering there's more than a few new people here, I'm not going to do the shotgun method, which is after I'm done giving a lightning talk, I point to someone and they have to come up, or be shamed. We're not going to do it that way. That is the way we would normally do it. By normal, I mean the one other time that we've done this. That's the way we did it. That's the normal currently. And I'm denying this as being the normal, even though this represents 50% of the sample size. So it was more fun that way. And we got, I randomly found out that a member of the audience works for Mozilla. He's not here, I don't think, but that was kind of strange. Hi, I'm a DBA for Mozilla. You're a what? Mozilla has DBAs?
Yeah, he's in the chat room today too.
Yeah, Sea Shadow. He's been in there, and he knows a former coworker of mine. It's a small world. Where is the projector thingy coming from?
It's over there. Connector.
Okay, I can move over that way.
Basically, I'm still following.
Oh, and speakers?
And audio, yeah.
It does.
It's a stereo plus.
I don't think that's going to work.
Sit on the desk and have like 15
Won't reach.
Needs a splitter. It's not even in use.
What? He's a splitter.
It's stereo and mic. Is it just stereo?
Yeah, this is stereo.
Not microphone and stereo.
Yeah, it's only got 2 separations.
Well, can be mono.
Who would do that? Alright, I don't really need to use the sound anyway. I don't want to make anyone's ears bleed.
The GUI and then start moving stuff.
Okay. Let's see how different this is. Oh, all my devices are named differently. Is it really only 640 by 480?
Yeah, I think so. No.
That's pretty typical for a.
Tech. Yeah, I don't think, I think it didn't detect it right the first time round. But that's what it thinks it runs at.
Okay.
Detect.
1024 by 768. Which is kind of small today in terms
without the timing information.
Well, there's price difference between the 640 by 480 and each jump.
But I just don't think I could, I mean, it's easy in terms of
Double it every time. You know, play around with it. If it comes up to the line, okay, so you usually go to the website. It's just easiest instead of saying click this, then going to just type this out in the window and go.
Twin view on.
There are a lot of decent books that help you understand the line structure, OTIs. Basically for certification, build limits, but help you understand this is where stuff goes, how to navigate command line. Like something that freeze over, but you don't want to. Honestly, I don't remember half the stuff. I just end up looking at something.
Okay.
Google is your friend.
Ah, yes.
Now I'm gonna go back to that. Then I basically add that. So we'll always have
Expander. Output.
Interesting little pyramid icon.
Yeah, it's Arch's icon kind of cut off. 60 hertz, right? Double scan, maybe?
So effectively, if you go to the command line, you just type in auto. Show me. Let's see if it'll add a. we can
Is
add
it?
icons.
Well, no, it is, but it's not the right mode line right now.
Doing that with an everybody like
See if this works.
Just making sure that that one.
So what it did was it told me the backup copy of master boot record to drive device SDA. My partition is here boot record, boot run, master boot record, SDA, old.
What am I doing wrong?
Your old master boot record.
Any other questions?
SDA. Are they telling you how to restore? And it's like the.
Alright, so that's the mode line I should be using. And I copied it in entirety.
Well, we got the stuff.
Stupid proprietary drivers. So I switched from using my Intel graphics card to my NVIDIA graphics card in this, and which was really great because games run really nice now.
Oh, from the Intel 945 or whatever.
3000.
3000.
Yeah, really fast.
To the, oh, it is saying from the
It's still Ivy Bridge.
so
They sent their mouse
Yeah, it drives me crazy.
Oh,
Awesome.
that's why.
How can I make that other silly
I
go
can.
away?
You can always try pushing the little monitor.
No, that won't work. That would work with the Intel drivers, but
Yeah, not with the NVIDIA.
where are you going, Art?
I think I am, I think the ship is hitting the fan, so.
Oh, not feeling so good?
No, not my food, no literal food, just,
Work stuff.
users.
Users, okay. Go take care of them.
all you gotta say, not choose.
Oh, I guess I'm stuck with this resolution.
I picked it, it's something I already know.
Rack
I
space.
think it was something that Linux, you know,
I hate pop-up
I
ads.
could install on here, so I could.
Especially for cloud hosting providers, that's just weird.
I'll fix my website so I haven't been able to do anything.
Well, I guess Rackbase isn't getting enough business right now. They have to get more.
The main drive is stuff on it.
Who?
Hoping to be able to stop it. I don't know. So if I have to like rebuild stuff, I want to have something I can, yeah.
You know what?
What?
You know what I use?
What do you use?
I use ButterFS.
ButterFS.
You know what ButterFS does?
What does it do?
It does snapshots.
Yeah.
Does it?
It does.
On a portable hard drive, but not all.
You know what I'm looking for?
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a bulk email company to send some emails to voters to tell them to vote for me. And I'm looking at GoDaddy, which is $14.95 for unlimited. However, it says that its interface is difficult to navigate. I thought, I wonder if it's so difficult that I couldn't do it.
Oh no, you survived through Wayne Pollock's Linux
But
classes.
here's what GoDaddy does, though. As soon as you get on their site, they're constantly trying to market to you. You know, oh, well, you want this and you want that. And it's hard to figure out what you're trying to do between what they're trying to get you to do.
Integrated graphics. I listened to us, I was trying to do this before we run out of time for the meeting completely.
Yeah.
Well, are you going to do your Java thing?
Yes, with any luck.
All right.
I need you to be able to see stuff, and the monitor only doing 640 by 480 on the closed source drivers,
Oh.
because closed source drivers suck.
Error. So your Java is going to be a higher resolution display.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to change it so that I boot into something with a better resolution, which I can do because I have a snapshot of my old system because I use ButterFS.
Oh.
Yeah, I know basic HTML, so as far as I can went.
Well, do we have a website we could put it on and then people can look at it?
Well, actually, what I should have done is test someone else's laptop to see if they have the same resolution problems, because then it would just tell me it's the projector. But this is actually not all that bad.
Well, usually you're all
Control
text
X.
anyway, aren't you?
Well, yeah, but I mean, I need more than that resolution.
Oh.
The batteries, when I get them, are always crapped out, and I mean, I all charge up to 100%, but it's probably 4%. They all wait until it's spent, and I catch them all the time.
Yeah, that's not gonna work.
I'll let it cycle completely, and I'm always like in tune with it, so like I'll come and
Hi.
the screen turns black.
Why did I decide using closed source drivers would be a good idea? Why?